3-in-1 silicone tools, trowel and scraper. Want to remove the old silicone and then apply the new one immediately? 3-in-1 silicone tools, trowel and scraper can help you do that all at once. This model of scraper is made of stainless steel. It can remove the old silicone easily without effort. First, make the scraper cling to the joint in front of the old silicone to be removed. Then, push it forward. The old silicone can be cleaned perfectly. Of course, we can also use the rhombus-shaped blade on the bottom of the scraper to remove the old silicone. Pull the scraper backward and the old silicone can be removed perfectly. It is actually more effort-saving this way. Then, use the plastic scraper on the other side to remove the remaining silicone. This model of trowel is designed to be used by pushing its head forward. Apply the silicone. Remember, when you are using the trowel, keep the two sides of the trowel clinging to the joint. Slightly tilt the trowel to make the surface look good. The lumpy silicone becomes smooth after using the silicone trowel. After that, remove the duct tape you applied beforehand, and then you're done. There are 5 different sizes of radius exchangeable pads to fulfill your needs. The pads can be exchanged quickly and easily. Improve the agglutinating quality and the aesthetic sense of surface. Integrated structure. Disassemble easily. Assemble easily. Work quickly. Multi-function design.